Are you exporting goods but still leaving lakhs of IGST credit locked inside your electronic credit ledger, ECL? If yes, you might be missing a golden opportunity to unlock faster GST refunds and boost your working capital. Today, we'll understand everything about IGST credit versus export under IGST payment, practically, step by step. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan your GST strategy smarter. What is IGST credit in the electronic credit ledger and how it is accumulated? IGST credit accumulates when you pay IGST on imports, pay IGST on local supplies. This credit is stored in your electronic credit ledger inside GST portal, where IGST credit can be used to pay output GST, CGST, SGST, or IGST. Pay IGST when exporting goods with tax payment. What is export under payment of IGST? Normally, exporters export without payment of tax by furnishing LUT, letter of undertaking. But, exporters can choose with payment of duty while exporting and claim refund of that IGST. This is called export under payment of IGST. Why exporters pay IGST even with available credit? Because IGST credit lying idle means blocked working capital. Paying export IGST via electronic credit ledger needs no cash outflow. Refunds of IGST paid on exports are faster and automatic via IGST. Benefits of using IGST credit to pay export tax. Refunds usually processed within 15 to 30 days. Better cash flow and faster liquidity. Simple documentation compared to ITC refund under LUT. No wastage of accumulated IGST credit. Financial impact if you ignore IGST credit and stick to LUT. IGST credit keeps piling in your ledger. Your cash flow remains stuck, while liquidity suffers. Refund of ITC under LUT route takes longer and has higher rejection risks. Smart exporters plan their ECL utilization. Example and sample calculation. Scenario: IGST credit available in ECL 20 lakh rupees. Export sales value 1 crore rupees. IGST on export 18% equals 18 lakh rupees. Option 1: export under LUT. No payment of tax. File refund claim for ITC may take 2 to 4 months with document scrutiny. Option 2: export with payment of duty, IGST. Adjust 18 lakh rupees from ECL credit. Refund of 18 lakh rupees processed within 15 to 30 days post EGM filing. Result: immediate liquidity under option 2. No idle IGST balance. Official rules and circulars supporting this. Section 16 of IGST Act, export is zero rated, refund allowed. Rule 96 of CGST rules, refund of IGST paid on exports. CBIC Circular number 125, 44 2019 GST, refund process simplified. Summary: why strategic credit planning matters. Electronic credit ledger is your hidden working capital. Refund through IGST payment export is faster, cleaner. Smart GST planning is stronger financial performance. Don't let your IGST credit sleep, unlock your funds and export smarter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.